Yes. Yeah. Find the third proportional to 5 and 15. Example first. Find the third proportional example first. Note down everyone. Find the third proportional. Find the third proportional find the third proportional find the third proportional to 5 and 15. Yeah. Yesterday I have given this question. Now today I am going to explain this question. Yesterday I explained how to find mean proportion. Mean proportion is also called as continued proportion. Whatever concept we are learning, this concept comes under application of proportion. Okay. Now how to find third proportion? Very easy concept. Stop writing concentrate everyone here. Don't write anything. First concentrate everyone here. Yes. How to find third proportion or proportional? Firstly, I want to assume let the third proportional to 5 and 15 be x. Firstly, I want to assume let the third proportional to 5 and 15 be x. Listen carefully, don't write. Let the third proportional let the third proportional let the third proportional to 5 and 15 be x. I have assumed third proportional between 5 and 15 is x. Then listen carefully now. Then how to solve? Then I will write 5 is to 15. 5 is to 15 is same as 15 is to x. 5 is to 15 is same as 15 is to x. How we are finding third proportion? Whatever first value he has given, first term is to second term. Again second term I will repeat here. First term is to second term. Again I will repeat second term is to x here. Now we'll apply here product of extremes is equal to product of means. Start writing everyone. This was only concept. Then extreme is first and last term. Mean is middle term. Now down. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Yeah. Extremes means first and last term. 5 into x is equal to 15 into 15. Now 5 into x means multiplication quantity. I want to do division. X is equal to 15 into 15 divided by 5. Multiplication quantity becomes division. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now value has come 3 into 15 is equal to 45. Again, listen carefully, students. If in the question it is asking, find the third proportion. First term is to second term, same as second term is to third term. Third term is what we have assumed here, x. Again, product of streams is equal to product of mean. But students, when we are finding mean proportion or continued proportion, on the time what we are doing? First term is to x, same as x is to second term. Don't confuse. So many students have a lots of confusion. What is third proportion? What is mean proportion? Mean proportion means always I will take x in middle, and third proportion means x I will take at the last. Note down, everyone. Note down properly, everyone. Let the third proportion to 5 and 15 be x. Then 5 is to 15 is same as 15 is to x. If I want to find out third proportion, always x I will take at the last. Note down example second. Note down example second. Find the third proportion. Find the third proportion find the third proportion to two and 8. Start solving, everyone, this question. Follow proper steps. Don't write shortcut. I don't want shortcut. I want proper steps, because in mathematics, step marking is there. Let the third proportional to 2 and 8 be x. Let the third proportional to 2 and 8 be x. Then I will write 2 is to 8 is same as 8 is to x. This is the concept. And product of streams is equal to product of means. Extreme is the first and last term. Mean is the middle term. Answer is 32. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Extremes is the first and last term. 2 into x is equal to 8 into 8. X is equal to 8 into 8 divided by 2. Multiplication quantity become division. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 8 4 is 32. Hence, the third proportion is 32. Hence, the third proportion is 32. Yeah. Now take fresh space on the top keep heading, chapter 2, unitary method. Note down example 3. Find the third proportional find the third proportional to 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. Note down. Let let the third proportional to 1 by 4 and 2 by 5 be x. Then 1 by 4 is 2. 2 by 5 is same as 2 by 5 is 2x. Again, I want to apply product of streams is equal to product of means. Product of streams is equal to product of means. Don't write direct. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Extreme means first and last term. 1 by 4 into x is equal to 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. Already you know fraction multiplication. When there are two rational number is there, I want to multiply two rational number at two fraction. Then we can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 1 into x, x means x by 1. X means x by 1. 1 into x, x. X by 4 is equal to 2 2s are 4 and 5 5s are 25. Again, what I have done here, if there are two fractions or two rational numbers, when we are doing multiplication operation, simply I can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Now x into 1, x by 4 is equal to 4 by 25. Again, how to solve? We can do cross multiplication. What is the meaning of cross multiplication? X into 25 is equal to 4 into 4. X into 25, x into 25 is equal to 4 into 4. Yes. Then x into 25 is equal to 16. Now multiplication quantity becomes division. X is equal to 16 divided by 25. This is our answer. Hence the third proportion is 16 by 25. Right, right. Chapter 2, unitary method. The method in which the method in which the method in which first we find first we find the value of 1, the value of 1, the method in which first we find the value of 1 unit and then the value of required number of units, then the value of required number of units, required number of units is called is called as is called unitary method. If we know the value of 1 unit, we want to find out the required unit. For that purpose, we are using here unitary method. If we know the value of 1 unit, I want to find out the value of required unit. For that purpose, we are using here unitary method. I have given very clear definition. What is unitary method? The method in which first we find the value of 1 unit and then the value of required number of units. Note down example first. Example first. if the cost of if the cost of if the cost of if the cost of 8 pence if the cost of first simple question I will take. If the cost of 1 pen is 250 rupees, what is the cost of what is the cost of what is the cost of 5 pence? Now in this question, how we can apply unitary method? Here we know the value of 1 unit means the cost of 1 pen is 250. I want to find out the cost of 5 pen means required 1 unit. Note down solution. Very easy question. Nothing is there in this question. Yeah. Solution. The cost of 1 pen is equal to the cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees 250. The cost of 5 pens is equal to 5 into 250. 1250 rupees. Hence the cost of 5 pence. Hence hence the cost of hence the cost of 5 pence is rupees 1250. Okay, students, remaining concept.